Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from BingX to GCash. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open the GCash app, go to Gcrypto, select the crypto you want to receive such as USDT, choose the correct network and tap Receive. Copy your wallet address and memo if one is provided. Next, log in to BingX, go to Assets, select Withdraw, choose the same cryptocurrency and paste your Gcrypto wallet address. Make sure the network matches exactly, then enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. Once the crypto arrives in your Gcrypto wallet, go back to GCash and convert your USDT into Philippine pesos. The money will appear in your GCash balance, ready to use for payments, transfers, or cash withdrawals. That's it. Just remember to always double check the wallet address and network before sending your crypto to avoid any mistakes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.